Okay. How has centering prayer deepened your awareness of the love of God?
Well, through 16 years of practice, centering prayer has allowed me to open to experiences, new experiences, internal and external experiences, by deepening my relationship with God, by helping me to be able to dismantle all of those attachments that we really bury down in our subconscious, and that really prevent us from, at least for me personally, prevented me for at least 20 years to even acknowledge the presence of God within me.
How has this awareness been manifested in your daily life?
Well, with the continued practice of centering prayer, meaning twice a day and maybe more than twice a day, I came to realize that some changes were happening inside of me. The main one, I think, is the ability to know myself much better than I used to do, and being able to accept myself in a more positive way, because I know God gave me my body, and I don't have to be worried about how I look or how I pray or how I do things, you know. And at the time that this was happening, I realized that I started to know people much better and accept people also the way they were, not just the way I wanted them to be. And probably the obvious example is with my children, that I always wanted them to be this way and this way, and now is you are who you are and I respect you, which is a big improvement because they are very happy about that too.
How did contemplative outreach help you to serve you? How was contemplative outreach an instrument to help you on your journey?
Contemplative outreach has been pivot in my development to the prayer by helping me all of those years with retreats, books, conference, readings, CDs, videos, and particularly no, quita esto, quítalo.